Hello, this is Susan Hayes, the Positive Economist, and today I'm going to talk to you in a series of videos called InvestingInYouth.com, Introducing Wall Street to the Classroom, about online trading. First and foremost, if you're going to buy a stock in a different currency, you have to identify what the exchange rate is today. How I always do that is I go to Yahoo Finance, and I have the link here. Now, the other thing that you have to find out as well is that what rate of exchange is your broker going to offer you? Because they're not going to offer you exactly the rate you see here. They may offer you within 1% of it or 1.5% of it. So ask that question before you go further in this video. Now, the broker that I use is ODL Securities, and the commissions that they charge are: any euro trade is €30 flat fee. Any sterling trade under £2,000 is £12.50. Any sterling trade greater than £2,000 is £25, and any dollar trade is $15.95. So if I'm calculating the quantity of a stock that I want, here is how I do it. I take the amount multiplied by the currency rate. Now bear in mind, this must be the currency rate that you will be offered by your broker, not just the spot that you find on Yahoo Finance. Take off the commission involved, and now you're down to the net investment amount. So now you take off your stamp duty, and then you're left with your net trading amount to divide by the ask price. Now people often have heard of the bid-ask price. Okay, the bid-ask spread is the bit in the middle for the market maker. So the ask price is the price that you pay, and the bid price is the price that you get. So let's take a stock, maybe I'm buying an Irish stock with €1,000. Now obviously €1,000 is going to be €1,000. There's no currency change involved, so I can simply multiply by 1. So we'll take €1,000 and the commission is €30. So now we're left with 970. The stamp duty in Ireland is 1%, and then we take off this, and now we're left with €960.30 to divide by my ask price to see how many shares that I can buy. Then we have the calculation of a quantity of a UK stock. Let's say that the rate being offered from the broker to me is 91 pence in the pound. So in this case, I'm multiplying €1,000 by 91 pence, which is £910. Take off my commission of £12.50, and now I'm left with a net investment amount of £897.50. The stamp duty in this case is 0.5%, so I'll take off £4.48. So now I'm left with £893.02 divided by my ask price. Now remember, in this case, if the amount was over £2,000, then the commission increases to £25. And finally, a US stock. €1,000 multiplied by the currency changeover. Well, let's assume in this case the rate being offered to me is $160 for every euro. So I have $1,600, and I'll take off my commission of $15.95. Now my net investment amount is $1,584.05. So I've no stamp duty is charged on any US stock, and therefore my net trading amount is $1,584.05 to divide by my ask price. So now go ahead and buy your portfolio on the simulated trading platform, and this will be profiled in my next video. Thank you. This is Susan Hayes, the Positive Economist.